Come test drive the 2012 Subaru Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions. And you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.